welcome back to my channel again, and thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, I am Mia, or I am Joy. You can call me JoyOfMia. So yeah, and I do videos here in YouTube, and let's be friends. Yes. So today I'm going to share with you guys a haul. As you can see in the title down below, it's all about swimwear. So yeah, I'm moving because I'm on my bed. So let's start. So these products are from Swish, an online shop in Instagram, and it is owned by my sister and my brother's girlfriend. And yeah, they are selling swimwears and some clothes. So if you're interested, please head on to their Instagram account and just follow them because they're selling really affordable items. So the first one, let's start. The first one that I got is this swimwear, one-piece swimwear swimsuit. Call that in a very summer color. Yes, very summery color. And yeah, I'm really loving this because my sister knows that I really love one-piece suit. And yes, like that at the back is a scoop back, and it has already a pad. So yeah, I'm really loving it. So yeah, and the next one that I got is this pink, hot pink. Give me some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Yeah, hot pink. Ayan. So, one piece ulit siya. Tapos sa likod niya, magiging X. Kapag nasuot mo na siya, diba, benga. Tapos, may ano pa to, may wire pa siyang ganyan. May ganyan pa siyang ganap para man-lift yung ano, mga babies mo. Babies. Boys. Ayan. So, yes, I have two one-piece suits, and the next one that I got is just a string type reversible bra like that. So the first design looks like this, and at the back looks like this. So this one you can wear on the first day like this, and then on the second day like that, and nobody will know that you have only one bra in the beach. So yeah, and it is only string type. And the partner of this is this and this. Yes, ito siya, yung blue na to. And it is also a string type that you can adjust to the size of your body. So yan. And the next one that I got is this crochet bra type. Yan na, may string din siya. So trendy ngayon ang crochet. So maybe you want this kind of bra. Puti lang yung meron sila. Ito lang. And it has also a pad, I think. Bato. Anyway, kahit wala tong pad, hindi kita ang ano mo dito eh. You know, kasi may ano dito sa likod niya. May fabric siya dito. Yan. And the next one that I got is this like a skirt type of bottoms like that. And meron din siyang parang panty sa loob. So, very safe. Hindi kita ang iyong mga kaganapan sa ilalim ng skirt. So if you are more conservative, then you can opt to this kind of bottoms kasi diba, some girls doesn't want to wear swimwears kasi like for example they are in the more conservative family, or like they have like stretch marks. But you know girls, if you have stretch marks, just flaunt it, because people get stretch marks because of the things that they went through. So, ano na, parang sermonet ba to? Yan, kasi diba, pag tumataba ka kasi, nag-stretch kasi, and it only shows that you have gained and then you lose some weight. So, yun, nag-stretch kasi yung skin natin, lalo na pag kulang yung collagen natin, yun, nagkakaroon tayo ng stretch marks. So, I don't care, kahit may stretch mark kapag go for it. Go for it. Kasi diba, uso na ngayon ng mga may stretch marks, and Filipinos lang naman yung mga maano dyan na kapag may stretch mark ka or may something ka dyan sa mga gilid-gilid, sa legs mo or what, just go with it. Anyway, nasa beach naman, katawan mo naman yun. Just don't mind the other people's opinion. Yes! Yes! And the next one that I got is this one that I'm really loving. This is the strapless bra na ganyan. Tapos may may metal closure siyang ganap dyan, and meron siyang horse dyan. So I'm really loving it, and it is from Victoria's Secret, and they only sell this for 150 pesos kasi they sell like a pre-loved na mga swimwears. So yeah, but they're still in a very good condition, and ito yung iba hindi pa masyadong hindi pa nagamit, meron pang tag, and yung iba nagamit man pero not really that used. And the last one I guess that I have is this string type bra. Ayan, na black lang siya, plain black. Pero ang ganda ng padding niya, ha. In fairness, because this is from Forever 21. May price pa siya, $399. Yun. So, maybe this one is not yet used kasi meron pa siyang tag. So, yes! That's all that I got from them. Thank you so much, sister. Binigay mo na sa akin yan. And yes, if you are interested in buying some of their products, they only sell 150 pesos, and for pair 250 pesos. And I guess you can buy two bras or two panties for only 250 pesos if I have not mistaken. Just ask them or just comment in their Instagram account. And for the last one that I will feature in this video is this strapless, not really strapless, how do you call this kind of bra? Yung may string siya dito sa gitna. Halter bra, like that. So, parang yung strapless bra kanina from Victoria's Secret. And this one is in turquoise color. Turquoise, yes. Turquoise, tsaka string. Matataba yung mga string niya. This one is from MAC, the ever supportive sa pag-swimsuit. Thank you so much. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan online shop niya binili, but I will just put the link down below if you are interested. And bumili din siya ng bottom part niya like that. It is a high-waisted na shorts ba to? Shorts ata to eh. Hindi siya panty kasi kung panty parang may ganun siya. Yes. So yeah, that's all that I got here in this swimwear haul, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. And if you're interested, just check out the links down below that I will be putting, and yes, just buy from them. And yeah, let's have fun in the beach, and let's have fun during the summer season. Tsaka dito naman sa Philippines, you can use your swimwears anytime naman kasi hindi naman ganun na may winter tayo, di ba? May winter or something like other season. So you can use your swimwear all year round. So, sulit na sulit. 150 lang, 250 lang. Sulit mo na yun. Yes. So, if you have an Instagram, you can follow me at JoyOfMia. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!